If I had to recommend QCO to a colleague of mine, the thing I would stress most is if you enjoy working around family, then you would enjoy working with QCO. You don't feel like you have that big brother or boss looking over your shoulder. They make you feel comfortable, and they put you in situations where you're comfortable. They put you in situations where you can utilize your skills to your best of your ability. They're worker friendly. Like when I worked for the other agency, I really didn't know anybody. I knew everyone. I know all the staff at Quality, which I think is great. They're all great people. They reach out to you. They were there for me when my child was born. So it's kind of like a big family. Whereas though the other agency I worked for, I didn't even know. I knew one person's name. That was my recruiter. And then when she left, I didn't know anyone. Quality Care does an excellent job of keeping you informed of when your certifications are when deadlines are due. They send letters out, and they also call you. They have someone in the office that call you and inform you that things are due, and they do an excellent job of informing you of that.
Quality Care Options is a Pennsylvania healthcare staffing agency providing the most qualified and credentialed healthcare professionals for both immediate temporary placement and long-term employment. Learn more at www.qcostaffing.com.